hurts you and it hurts me too. This is such a fallen world we live in. It's really not the way it's supposed to be. What if we could see each other different? It'd probably change everything. We're all broken people. Don't we all need Jesus? Every moment of our lives, 24, 365, human is equal. Don't we all weakness? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody needs that great Lord Jesus. Don't we all need Jesus? Everybody needs a Savior, even the ones who think they don't. We got stuff we hide deep down inside. It hurts you and it hurts me too. Yeah, it's just a wonder where we live in. It's really not the way it's supposed to be. Isn't that the beauty of redemption? It changes everything. All the people, don't we all need Jesus? Every moment of our lives, 24, 365, human is equal. Don't we all ever weakness? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody needs that great Lord Jesus. Don't we all need Jesus? From the beggar to the rich man, from the prisoner to the preacher. All I know is we all need Jesus. All I know is we all need Jesus. Every man and every woman, every city, every nation. And all I know is we all need Jesus. All I know is that we're all broken people.